Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to support me as we grow together. Thank you very much. Now, this divide by this, before we go into this, here was one. We are left with 4 divided by what? 1. And 4 divided by 1 is equals to what? 4 divided by 1 is equals to 4. But this answer is not correct. According to our order of operation, so B stands for brackets, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. That's our KCF rules. So we are going to use it to solve this math problem. So our answer will look like this. So because division comes before multiplication, we have to do this first. So using our KCF rule, K stands for keep, so we keep 4, change division to multiplication, then flip this here. Then we have times 4. Now that we have 4 times 4 times 4, 4 times 4 will give us what? 16. 16 times this 4 is equal to what? 64. Our final answer is 64.